Welcome everyone, how is it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. Welcome to my new episode related to Bitcoin's price analysis of the day, 12th of June. Here we are with another markdown during the weekend. There is a decrease going on across the whole board, which has not been expected to push us towards such levels, yet it is pretty powerful. 24 hours volume is quite high for the weekend, considering the current situation of the market. Yet the market cap has lost the $1.2 trillion support that we have been holding for a while. Although our Bitcoin and Ethereum is definitely suffering for the past 24 hours and past 7 days. Looking into the data, folks, we're talking about a 5% decrease for the BTC price, which is our object of the day in terms of price analysis. So here we are with the charts. As usually, we're going to look at the markets from the most rational standpoint. 2 hour candlesticks we have on board and a very interesting context. One of the most important lines that we were having to hold us used to be our ranging structure, resistance trending line that starts from here, has a few confirmations on board, breaks out, revisits the line, finds support twice, which is usually a great sign of continuation. What has been very interesting is the double top rejection that has been formed, which fully denied as a bundle our confirmation above the line. So anyone that still wanted to trade longs from there has been in a terrible mistake. Although the tops have been accelerating downwards here, as you can see, right after the bundle that overturned the retest confirmation of support, right? So in trading, you have periods where the bulls are dominating and the dominant prediction is bullish, which can change in a few hours depending how does the market behaves. This is basically what trading is about, dealing with both support and resistance. That is a sort of a way clear portraying our bulls and bears continuous fight. That's what it is. And that is, once again, I'm going to underline this, a continuous fight. Something that never stops, which can pretty often change the dominance energy. Think about as a whole boxing game with unlimited rounds. Now, it doesn't mean if opponent A dominates the first 3 rounds, opponent B is not going to have the ability to dominate the next rounds, which is the case here, right? So that's the way it looks like. And obviously, we've been retesting it again, but it has been fully lost. Pretty dramatic, pretty dramatic, right? Then we have a correction going on right now, especially that the Ethereum has lost the specific low. It's terrible. Yet the BTC market is going to grab probably the liquidity gap, which is sitting between the wick and that specific starting point of the body of the candlesticks, right? So that's 26,832. Right under that until 25,344 we have a liquidity gap, this one, where expectations can be set towards a buying pressure which should appear. Now if it doesn't appear, we're gonna break the low. This is why in trading you need to expect things. If they do not appear, it's the opposite that you gotta trade. If you do not know what to expect, when to expect, you cannot know how to trade. Simple. So that's where we are at the moment. This is the current situation, obviously in a pretty significant and strong bearish domination. The reversal will definitely have a wick. So it is clearly not here where the price is located for the moment, because we don't have a sell-off that is going into a wick of buying pressure. It's pretty much all with that. For those of you that have been wondering about my one-on-one coaching, well, we have the private opportunity, which is directly with me on scrembocoaching.com, the website describing how it works. There is a video explaining it here as well. This is a private one-to-one coaching directly with me on Zoom conversations live. Between 4 to 6 weeks, I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. So feel free to apply and check for your email and Telegram for my reply. As well, for those of you looking to join the commission trading movement, where we perform the trade for you through API, this is my page, scrembocoaching.com/today. On the left side of the page, you will be able to see how the trading performance has been for the past period, for the past year since September 2017. And then the right side of the page, you will be able to see how you can join the system. There is a minimum budget, trading goes through API, and you can find out more details here basically. That's pretty much all, folks. That's all for the moment. Have a beautiful time, have a beautiful day. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.